A very good morning to all of you, and welcome once again to our channel Study Adda. And today I have brought another set of top 15 current affairs for Monday. So let's start. Which university have created an artificial intelligence that makes blurry faces into higher definition HD quality? And the right answer for this is option D, Duke University. It makes blur photo 64 times clearer image and convert it into HD quality. Next, who became the first observant Sikh to graduate from United States Military Academy? So the right answer is option A, Anmol Narang. She holds the rank of second lieutenant in the US Military Academy. Anmol Narang, who was inspired by her grandfather, who was in Indian Army. Next, central government to provide 500 crores of 8,000 beds to which government to combat COVID-19? So the right answer for this question is option C, Delhi. Option C, Delhi. And also 4 IAS officers have been posted in Delhi for the assistance of COVID-19 to Delhi government after the meeting held between Lieutenant Governor of Delhi Anil Baijal, Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Next, which country has found oldest archery proof outside of Africa dated 48,000 years old? And the right answer for this is option B, Sri Lanka. They have discovered the earliest known evidence of bow and arrow usage by prehistoric humans. Next, World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on. So right answer is option C, 14th June. And the theme for this year 2020 is Safe Blood Saves Lives. Next, where is the Indian Military Academy located? So Indian Military Academy is located in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. For the first time, passing out parade was done without parents, and Army Chief Manoj Mukund Naravane reviewed the parade wearing a mask. Next, which former Prime Minister of India recently became Rajya Sabha member from Karnataka? So the right answer for this is option B, H.D. Devegowda from Janata Dal Secular Party. Also, former opposition leader from Congress of Lok Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, was also elected unopposed to the Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. In 2019 election, this opposition leader of Lok Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, had to suffer defeat. So this time he is going to Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. Next, Bhivandi Impenetrable National Park is located in which country? So the right answer is option B, Uganda. Recently, silverback gorilla named Rafiki was killed by the local people of Uganda there. Next, which Indian state became the first to report 1 lakh cases in the state? So as you know, the right answer is option B, Maharashtra, the worst affected state by COVID-19 in India. And the death toll in the state has reached to around 3,800. Next, which city's Deccan Development Society NGO has won Prince Albert II of Monaco Foundation Award? So this Deccan Development Society NGO is from Hyderabad. Option C, Hyderabad. This NGO has also won earlier United Nations Development Program's prestigious Equator Award. Next, which state government has transferred 1000 rupees each in accounts of over 10.4 lakh migrant workers, which is a great initiative by that state government? And the right answer for this is option D, Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath government. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The state has also become the first to ready 1 lakh COVID-19 beds few weeks back. Next, which country had to cut its budget by around 60%? So the right answer is option B, Pakistan. Next, in which railway station Robert named Captain Arjun has been deployed by Central Railways Railway Protection Force? So the right answer is option C, Pune Railway Station. Pune Railway Station. This Robert Arjun, which stands for Always Be Responsible and Just Used to Be Nice, keeps an electronic eye on to screen passengers and a watch on antisocial elements during boarding time. Next, who has become the Chief of Staff of Eastern Naval Command, Visakhapatnam? So the right answer is option A, Biswajit Das Gupta. Option A, Biswajit Das Gupta. Do you know Vice Admiral Biswajit Das Gupta is also specialist in navigation as well as direction? Next, and the final question of the day, who has written the book Lockdown License? So this book has been written by option A, Sobha De. Sobha De. So that's all from today's session. Take care, stay safe.